呢度兩條路要 merge 埋一條路。足之嚟到第一個景點啦，2點14分。OK。Catacomb 呢度係 Old Alexandria， 雖然喺呢度發掘咗一個古蹟，但係周圍嘅話仲係啲民居嗰度仲有啲民居喺度。
And the Roman Empire. So for 900 years of the Egyptian history, that was the main capital of this country. The Ptolemaics were based here, Roman emperors were based here, and it was all the way down up to 641 AD when the Arabs came, and that's when they moved the capital to Cairo. When they designed the city here, on both sides, eastern and western sides, they had graveyards. So they wanted to keep them away. So one on the eastern side and one on the western side. Right now we are on the western graveyard of the ancient city of Alexandria. So there are so many tombs would have been here, but most of them got lost under the Mediterranean water. Now one of them survived, which is the catacombs we are going to see. And these catacombs were discovered in the year 1900. And who discovered them? A donkey. Yes, a donkey and a cart were just going this way, and suddenly the donkey fell down through a big hole. And that's how these catacombs were found. Now up there you see that level of the ground back in 1900 when the donkey was growing up and he fell down through that all over. Right? Now we get down there to see
就係落去下低嗰度啦。啲棺材就由上邊嗰度拎落嚟，跟住棺材就掹落嚟，就撞喺入邊。初發現嗰時候，呢度係水浸嘅，用咗60年先至將啲水泵晒出嚟。呢個係第3個 level， 第3層。Now, if you look over there, you see very interesting mix of the ancient Egyptian art, you see the colors here, and the Greco-Roman style. 有 Greco-Roman 嘅柱，但係有古埃及嘅像。The Medusa 喺 Medusa。
Where you see the ancient Egyptian and the Ptolemaic art together. So that's why up here
assuming that that family were still believing in the ancient Egyptian religion. Because they were living in great Roman time, but believing in the ancient Egyptian
Medusa.
that resulted in those two Medusas who were there. And look at these kids that they believe them, they combine crown and upper. So it's great Roman and ancient Egyptian. Now if you come a little bit closer, look at on both sides of the entrance, you see
Dionisio y Hermes, tienen también como la Ikea.
呢個葬喺呢度嗰個人，可能係希臘人，但係奉信古埃及嘅宗教。呢度係唯一一個喺埃及入邊 combine 古希臘同埋古埃及嘅神像。
the second century AD, people were still believing in the ancient Egyptians. So if you'd like to take some pictures,
嗱，呢個就係個棺木啦，唔係，係石棺。啊，呢啲就係擺停棺材嘅地方。其實呢度嘅話就係以前 real estate 又賣實業啦呢度。
look like that. So yes, you can have a similar burial place, a similar burial chamber, without having to cut it all through the mountain. So yes, that's one suite like for your family if you like to have three different, like the main burial chamber. So these guys have done a very good business out of this too.
嗱，呢啲就係一個呢度就係一個石棺嘅位置啦。我隻手係咁大，呢個係一個棺材。A122。呢度係一個 suite 一家人啊，有個細棺，有個大地方，上邊仲有塞多幾多個過去㗎。你見到上邊好多嗰啲 marking， 佢哋就係可能喺度咁樣作㗎啦。呢啲 chisel mark 呢啲。Oh, I got lost.
You got lost?
Oh, I got lost in the catacomb.
The easiest thing to have in. Okay, so if you'd like to see the bones there,
呢個係真正一個公元後2世紀至3世紀嘅羅馬嘅墓穴。
Ramazan answer, Ramazan II. Now look at the scenes over there. They look like funny for me. That meant to be the god Ra with the two wings of Isis and mummification bed. A very funny mummy is lying on that bed. And look at the two figures there, Isis and Neftisa. They look weird. Anyway, and look, on the other side, that meant to be the man himself, the Quran. Well, like imitating the ancient Egyptian paintings. Two jackals meant to be there. They look more like dogs rather than jackals. On the other side is the one that hits me. Look at him. He should be offering, but it seems for me that he is proposing. He's a long knee. No way Egyptians would
呢一個係一個古代，佢係唔知幾時嘅墓穴，但係佢啲壁畫係非常之不專業化㗎，好似細蚊仔畫出嚟。佢呢隻 jackal 好似隻狗咁樣。And here, supposedly 係 offering to the goddess， 不過好似喺度求婚，而且啲比例完全唔啱。Oh, sorry. And this funny looking guy 都唔知喺度做乜嘢。 Whoops，冇嘢喺度。嗱呢個咧就好似細蚊仔畫 cartoon 咁樣。Catacomb 嘅話就係睇嚟好似係希臘抑或羅馬嘅停屍地方㗎啦。呢啲睇嚟好似係希臘或者羅馬。